Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. From the account, the Q6 E Tron will look extra dynamic than your ordinary SUV, many thanks to the sculpted body lines and also flashy proportions. The tail will certainly be regular of the German brand name with aggressive-looking flat installed LED taillights. Besides the typical SUV body style, Audi will likewise introduce the Q6 E Tron Sportback Coupe SUV with a sloping roofline as well as an incorporated spoiler. Just like the majority of Audi models nowadays, a high-performance focused RS variant with an also sportier body kit will certainly join the array at a later date. Inside, spy shots have revealed a various format to the present Audi range. The dashboard is controlled by a huge portrait orientation infotainment touchscreen integrated with an electronic instrument collection. The multifunctional flat-bottom four-spoke wheel includes Audi's brand new and easier symbol, while the facility console has fewer buttons than ever before. Audi is keeping its cards near to its upper body in terms of the available power outcomes. Nonetheless, it has actually been confirmed that the Porsche Macan EV will generate as much as 603 horsepower, 450 kW/611 PS, and 1,000 Nm, 738 lb-ft of torque from double electrical motors. Audi can use the very same configuration for the efficiency flagship of the Q6 E Tron range, birthing the RS badge, in mix with a sporty chassis setup. Minimal variants might be provided with the twin electric motors from the A6 E-Tron Idea, which generated a much more practical 470 horsepower, 350 kW/476 PS, as well as 590 lb-ft, 800 Nm of torque. When it comes to the range, the A6 E-Tron car was said to be able to take a trip approximately 435 miles, 700 kilometers, in concept kind. A lot more minimal variety is a much safer bet for the less aerodynamic SUV, placing it closer to competitors consisting of the Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV as well as the BMW iX. The Audi Q6 E Tron was initially anticipated to show up before the end of 2022. Nonetheless, its premiere could be pushed back, though with any luck, it will certainly debut prior to the mechanically related Porsche Macan EV, which has actually been postponed for 2024. Starting in 2026, Audi will just introduce completely electric models prior to coming to be an EV-only brand name in 2033. Thank you for watching.